If you're editing in Premiere Pro every day, but you're still relying on menus, dragging clips around manually, and clicking tools over and over again, you're wasting a ridiculous amount of time. So in this video, I'm giving you 10 Premiere Pro shortcuts we use every single day that genuinely make editing way faster, cleaner, and honestly, way less frustrating. Now, these aren't random shortcuts you'll never touch. These are the ones that professional editors are using constantly. And I'll show you exactly how they work in real projects, not just tutorial timelines. So let's get into it. Okay, so this first one is the ripple delete shortcut. And honestly, if you're still deleting clips manually in Premiere, this shortcut alone will change your workflow forever. So here's the slow way that most people edit. They just delete the clip and then drag everything back manually to close that new gap. And when you're editing hundreds of cuts, that wastes so much time. Instead, you want to highlight the gap and press Shift plus Delete. Premiere automatically is now going to close that space instantly. One key combo, no dragging, and no fixing gaps. We use this literally every single edit. Shortcut 2, the razor tool. You can use this with C and V. Okay, so the razor tool shortcut. Beginners constantly click up here to switch tools, and this is going to slow you down massively, especially with a big edit. Instead, press C. That instantly activates the razor tool. And then make your cuts, go throughout your video and do that, and then press V to go straight back to the selection tool. I think this is one of those ones that once you've built it into your muscle memory, editing just gets way faster, especially when you're cutting interviews or fast-paced reels. Okay, it's time for an ad break, and this video is sponsored by us here at Editor's Keys. Now, if you're new to the channel or new to Editor's Keys, we're the brand that makes those color-coded shortcut keyboards that you'll have seen in some of the world's biggest recording studios, film studios, post-production houses, and used by over 50,000 people worldwide. The one you're seeing is our new AB10 series keyboard. It's available as Core, which is a wired, or an Air, which is wireless. And this contains all of the shortcuts for Premiere Pro, and it's going to make you a faster editor almost instantly because it contains all of the shortcuts for Premiere Pro right at your fingertips. If you want to grab yours, check out the link in or around this video or head to editorskeys.com. Now back to the video. Shortcut number 3, full screen panels. And this is using the tilde key. Now this shortcut is so underrated. If you're reviewing footage or color grading inside of those tiny panels, you're making your life so much harder. So what you want to do is hover over any panel and press the tilde key. That's the little squiggly line near the escape key. And Premiere Pro is instantly going to full screen and expand that panel. Once you've done that, press it again and it goes back to how it was. We use this constantly when reviewing footage or checking focus, things like that, little fiddly things where you just want to get in and get out. Shortcut number 4, audio transitions. And this is using Shift plus D. If your audio cuts sound rough or awkward, this shortcut fixes that instantly. Normally, you'd drag audio transitions manually from the effects panel, but instead, highlight the cut points and press Shift plus D. Premiere is going to automatically add your default audio transition, which is usually the constant power, but you can change this to whatever you want, of course. Again, I think this is one of those shortcuts that as soon as you start using this, your edits feel more professional and again, a lot quicker. Shortcut number 5, this is speed controls, and we've got a Mac and a PC version, which is Command plus R or Control plus R. If you're constantly changing clip speeds for B-roll, transitions, or cinematic edits, stop right-clicking every single time. All you need to do is just select the clip and press Command plus R on a Mac or Control plus R on Windows. And that instantly opens speed and duration. We use this one constantly for speed ramps, slow motion, and tightening pacing. And once you know it, you'll never go back through the menus again. Shortcut number 6, duplicate clips. This is using Alt or Option plus drag. This one again saves so much time. So instead of copying and pasting constantly throughout your edits, just hold Alt on Windows or Option on a Mac whilst dragging a clip. Premiere will instantly duplicate it. Now we use this one for sound effects, text layers, adjustment layers, literally everything where you want to kind of use it more than once. It's just a way faster method of constantly copying and pasting. Shortcut 7, fit timeline. And this is using the / key. Now, if your timeline is massive and you keep zooming in and out manually, use this instead. Press the / key. Premiere will instantly fit your whole sequence perfectly into view. It sounds so simple, but when you're working on long edits, this shortcut is ridiculously useful. Shortcut number 8, the ripple trim using Q and W. This is one professional editors use constantly. Instead of dragging clip edges manually, use the Q and W keys. The Q trims everything before the playhead, whilst the W trims everything after the playhead. And it automatically ripple deletes the gap. So this is insanely fast for tightening interviews, reels, and YouTube videos. Try it out. Shortcut 9, add markers, and this is using the M key. Now, if you're editing music, reels, or fast cuts without markers, you're making editing harder than it needs to be. All you need to do is just press the M key during playback, and Premiere is going to drop markers directly onto the timeline. Now, we use this constantly for trying to find beats in music, captions, hooks, transitions, and key moments that you want to come back to whilst editing. I find this especially handy when shooting short form content. Shortcut number 10, reveal clip in project. This is using Shift plus F. Now, if you've ever lost a clip in a huge Premiere project, this shortcut saves you instantly. Select any clip in your timeline and press F. Premiere will immediately reveal that file inside your project panel. So no more digging through folders trying to find footage. This shortcut alone saves hours every month. Now, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, be sure to do all of the YouTube things. Give us a like, give us a subscribe so you don't miss our next videos, and comment below. Let us know what shortcut you're going to be using for the first time. And if this was too beginner level for you, or if you want to know even more shortcuts, let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this, because there are so many hidden shortcuts that can save you a ton of time. So let us know if you want to see that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.